Hello guys, I'm back in business, and this time I'm here to announce my new website, Skills for You. That's an IT education website, so I'm gonna have here everything on IT basis. But this time I'm bringing you my brand new course, AWS Serverless, building the next generation apps. Let's go ahead and take a look at the course. In this course, I'll be heavily focusing on the AWS side of things, how to create a application from scratch that needs no server to run. So it's a very interesting topic, and AWS and serverless, they are the two most wanted skills right now. So it's pretty hot. I'll also give you guys a little bit of knowledge in the last session about the front-end side, which we'll be building our React.js application and linking it to the server side. Okay? It's a very nice and complete course. The first chapter here is for free. You can just sign up and watch this first section here for free, no problems. And yeah, the other the remaining stuff, yeah, that's the paid stuff. But as you can see here, I have here the introduction, then the core services, then I say many things about lambdas and API gateway, DynamoDB, Cognito, and yeah, just take a look at the course because it's really nice, it's really complete. In order to watch the free preview, just enroll or sign up, just as I'm doing here. Yeah. Yeah, and I also am gonna find a random password here. Cool, and then agree to the terms and conditions. Then yeah, just follow the CAPTCHA. Yeah, sometimes it's really hard to decide what exactly is what it's asking, but yeah, there are no buzzes here. Skip, and we should be, yeah, that's it. So we are in. Front point on, we can simply watch the first chapter, which is for free again. Let me just go back to the main page. But yeah, if you want to buy it, I have a nice promo code for my YouTube channel friends. Yeah, have a coupon? Yes, you do have a coupon. Let me get my coupon here, the one I prepared for you guys. That's the coupon code SLYT 2019. Serverless YouTube 2019. And just click on apply. Yeah, you're gonna get this beautiful discount here. Okay, and after that, the remaining stuff is history. So yeah, but pay attention that this discount is only for 1 week, so until next Friday. So rush and don't miss it. Okay, you guys can contact me via the channel, via my Skills for You website. Just enroll and you can ask any questions in the course or simply send me an email. Okay, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope you guys enjoy my course, and we will catch up soon.